Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious no-bake pudding using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 package of instant pudding mix, typically 3.4 ounces, and 2 cups of cold milk. Make sure your milk is very cold for the best results. You'll also need a whisk, a mixing bowl, and some serving dishes. This quick dessert is perfect for any occasion, requiring minimal effort and time. Now, let's get to the fun part. Mixing. First, pour your 2 cups of very cold milk into a large mixing bowl. Next, add the entire contents of the instant pudding mix package to the milk. Using a whisk, vigorously stir the mixture for exactly 2 minutes. It's important to keep whisking consistently during this time. You'll notice the pudding beginning to thicken quite quickly, transforming into a smooth, creamy consistency right before your eyes. Once your pudding is thoroughly mixed and has started to thicken, it's time to prepare it for chilling. Carefully spoon the creamy pudding into your chosen serving dishes. You can use small bowls, ramekins, or even a larger serving bowl. To ensure a smooth top and prevent a skin from forming, gently cover each dish with plastic wrap. Place the pudding in the refrigerator for a minimum of 5 minutes, or until it is fully set and perfectly chilled. Congratulations, your easy no-bake pudding is now ready to enjoy. Once it's perfectly chilled and set, you can serve it as a wonderful dessert. For an extra touch, consider garnishing your pudding with a dollop of whipped cream, some fresh berries, or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. This simple treat is always a crowd pleaser. Any leftover pudding can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, maintaining its delicious freshness.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.